So I've been asked to wire up lights on this deck on this GMC Isuzu diesel tilt cab, and I decided to put a junction box right behind the cab here because there's no feed studs anywhere on here. So I took power off the battery cable at the starter to feed this. I put two 30 amp circuit breakers in here, and I'm going to run this breaker to the front for the electric brake controller, and this breaker here runs the auxiliary feed wire to the back. So I ran a 7-pole conductor down the back, and if we go back here, because this thing had separate turn signal and brake lights, I had to put in a converter. So I've got a box here with a converter in it, and of course this wire then feeds power back up to the lights in the front, and it's also the blue wire for the trailer or brake, and the white wire for battery power for the trailer. I have to install another converter on this thing because this converter will only run the tail lights on the truck, so I have to install a powered converter on here for the tail lights on the trailer for this 7-pole plug. This is the existing wiring coming in here, and of course going out to this converter, and then out of this converter to the tail lights. We have yet to hook up the tail lights. I did mount the license plate light up there. That's not the right plate, I just put it on there for sizing. These will be mounted up underneath the deck here after, and of course there's covers over them to keep the Mother Nature out. So I've got the front junction box installed, sealed up, wires to the backup lights. As you can see, the backup lights are working, marker lights are working. Brake controller mounted on top of the dash because there's just no room under the dash, and there's nothing here. It's all just cheap plastic. And getting in and out of the vehicle, you're gonna have a tendency to bust it off, like this knob on whatever this control is, I'm not sure. But the brake controller works. If you hook up a test light to it, tail lights are wired up. I still got to mount those two junction boxes. This lower junction box has the factory wiring harness coming in with 5 wire circuit, and a converter in here to convert the tail lights on the back of the truck to 4 wires. And now I have to install another converter for the trailer tail lights. I'm waiting for that other converter. I couldn't get one, and I'm putting a powered converter in. I'm going to use auxiliary power from this stud here, which is live all the time. This is the trailer ground, soldered and sealed every terminal. A little bit of time involved, but should last. License plate light, marker light, should be good.